Okay, so Namaste from Mumbai, and I'm going to talk today about a very interesting topic. We are going to talk about lactation. So typically, you will see that mothers, after their delivery, many of them in today's times have lactation issues. And homeopathy has some very beautiful remedies that I want you to remember so that we can help all of these patients. So I'm going to tell you very quickly some very important remedies and how to use them. Number one remedy, always number one remedy in a case of galactia. Suddenly the milk is coming, suddenly it stops. You don't know why. It was perfect, stop. Pulsatilla. With the very typical, whenever you see the sudden stop of milk, which was already okay, with the typical pulsatilla state of mind, the typical sensitivity, the typical better by open air, the thirstlessness, everything. When you see that all together, pulsatilla. Next remedy, a mother who has not been sleeping well, no sleep, too much of grief, something happened, and then she developed this galactia. The remedy is causticum. The main indication of causticum, a lot of foreboding, something bad will happen, something bad will happen, something bad will happen. Right? So, causticum, pulsatilla, I hope you remember this. What are the other remedies? Some women will tell you suddenly that the milk is now not forming, what to do? I feel I'm going to die now. I feel I'm never going to get better. I think I'm never going to get this milk again. I think my child is going to die. The remedy with this kind of sadness, with this kind of despair, with this kind of death presentiment of is the remedy Agnus castus. Interesting, a male remedy, but is well known for galactia. Interesting. In these type of cases, one should also think about using sarcodes. Which are the sarcodes I want to tell you about? The number one sarcode, which is written in classical books, is thyroidinol. Typically slow metabolism, dullness, obesity, chilliness, craving for sweets, thyroidinol with galactia. Another very important remedy is prolactin. This is a remedy that we use a lot now. Directly acts at the hormonal level. Prolactin. So these are the two sarcodes I want you to remember. What about the mammal remedies? The lac remedies? So lac can, lac def, lac humanum. All three different states. Lac can, you know the typical state of lacan, the alternating state, the state of kind of being dominated and almost behaving and going through the state of victim. Lac def typically will have the headache, the typical headache of lac def with that. Lac humanum, the state of conflict, should I do for myself so that I can grow, or should I do it for my people so that I'm part of my community? Lac remedies. Some more specific remedies I want to tell you. One very interesting remedy is the remedy Galega. Very interesting remedy. It can really stimulate the hormones and the appetite can improve in these type of cases. Galega. Another very important remedy that you want to think about is called as Spyranthus. Ladies' stresses, Spyranthus. Along with lactation issues, they have a lot of acidity issues. When in doubt, you don't know what to give, all remedies fail. Think about the remedy. Urtica urens. History of allergies. Or you don't know what to give, you just don't know, you've tried all remedies, nothing to give. What to do? urtica urens is what is claimed as a remedy when you fail with all remedies or you don't know which remedy to give. 2 more remedies I will tell you. X-ray. X-ray is also a very important remedy for infertility in men and women both. Another very lesser known remedy is Ricinus communis, which has a diarrhea like podophyllum or gambogia. So Ricinus communis, also another very important remedy. So I'm telling you all these remedies for women who have lactation issues, because also we are launching in the next 1 week the course on homeopathy in female disorders. So if you want to be a part of this, there is an early bird offer with a 25% discount, and I want you to be a part of this course. It's a 20-hour online masterclass that we would want you to be a part of. So if you want to, you still can. There is an early bird discount offer. There's an email ID here, gaurang@gmail.com. Be a part of this. Thank you.